Good evening, everybody. I'm going to do a quick video tonight on restoring headlamp for an old car. I have a 2011 Nissan Murano. I live in northeast of the northeast United States, Massachusetts to be exact, and we have harsh winters, salt on the road, and my headlamp has a very thick fogged up film on it. Not fogged the film, but pretty much scratched headlamp, and the headlight doesn't really shine through that as well. So a lot of times the light does not shine as well. I'm just repeating myself again. But what I want to do is just basically sand through all that and bring the shine back. And what I did was went on Amazon and bought a pack of what is it called? Waterproof or water resistant sandpaper. They're very cheap. I think I spent $11 on it, from 800 grit to 10,000 grit. In between the grit, in between sanding, I put water on it, and I did really quick sanding on between grit because I didn't want to scratch my headlamp. I don't want to overheat my headlamp and melt the lamp as well. So I use a polisher. I bought it on Harbor Freight. I think it was $50. But if you don't have one or you don't want to purchase one, you can also use your hand drill. If you don't have a hand drill or you don't want to buy a hand drill, also you can use a sanding block. You don't have a sanding block or don't want to use a sanding block, you can also use your hand. So all these options you can do. Once again, light pressure, and you don't want to overheat your or damage your headlamp. That's the key. And in between, also add water because you really want to not damage your headlamp. That's the key fact. I've gone through 800 grit, 2000 grit, 3000 grit, 5000 grit, 7,000, and 10,000. When I finish, I use a sealer. I think it's by Mother Goose, and applying the sealer basically help the finish last longer. I used the sealer last time, and I saw the effect lasted, or the finish lasted about 2 years, and I was very happy with it. And I have leftover, so therefore I'm using it again. And you don't have to. I think it may last 6 months or 10 months if you don't use it. So therefore, it's up to you if you want to use it or not. And if you Google this, you will find videos on other people doing the same thing. So I'm not the only one doing this. So therefore, this is a proven method of how to refinish headlamps or restoring headlamps. So enjoy the video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.